Hello students, welcome back to Excel Maths. We are actually discussing expanding double brackets with extended questions, and this is type 5 where we're going to be getting two brackets with a positive sign. And what's in extended questions? You will have some coefficient of x, say for example 4x plus 5 and 2x plus 3. Both sorry. This is not the type 5 we already discussed. Type 5 when you have same brackets. So 4x plus 5 and 4x plus 5. Excuse me. Let's try that. So what we do in here, exactly the same thing. The first term multiplying the entire bracket. The second term multiplying the entire bracket. So we will take the first term, that is 4x, multiplying the entire bracket, that's 4x plus 5, plus the other term, which is a positive 5, multiplying the entire bracket. That means whatever we have in here in the first bracket, that goes before the next bracket. So 4x here plus 5 here. Now let's do the single bracket expansion. 4x times 4x, that's 16x squared. 4x times 5, that's a positive 20x. Why it's positive? Because here we have a positive sign, isn't it? Right. Now, 5 times 4x will give you a positive 20x, right? Let me just remove this, otherwise you might feel like it's a negative sign here. Okay. Now, 5 times 5, they both are positive, will give us a 25. Okay. Now, one last step. 16x squared, 20x plus 20x gives us a 40x plus 25. Right? Let's check through our shortcut. Now, discussing for a few videos, I think you would be understanding the shortcut well. 4x plus 5 and 4x plus 5. What do we do the first? We just multiply the terms having x. So we have 4x here and 4x here. Just multiply them. So 4 times 4 is 16. X times x is x squared. Now what the second step is, take the closer numbers together. So it's 4 times 5, that is 20. And the extreme numbers together, like multiply them. 5 times 4 is 20. Right. So 20 plus 20 gives us 40. Well, the last step is, from both the brackets, take the numbers and multiply them. So 5 times 5, that's 20. Now, what we're going to write in here, this one will come with x and the last one as it is. So we are adding the positive because they both are positive numbers, aren't they? And here we get our final answer. 16x squared plus 40x, my bracket and 1 of 16 are mixing together. Okay. Now let's not merge them. Okay. 16x squared plus 40x plus, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. So 5 times 5 is not 20, but 25, right? So let's make it 25. Hope that makes sense. See you soon. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a great day.